Hi viewers, welcome back to our channel Make Math Easy. So in the last class we discussed about the introduction for the tangents and normals. In this class we are going to discuss or do few basic questions from the topic tangents and normals. So as we discussed already, the equation of a tangent or the normal, it depends on the value of the slope that you are finding, and we know that geometrical meaning of slope itself is nothing, geometrical meaning of dy by dx is nothing but the slope of a given line. So that means for any given function, something like y is equal to x cube, I will be getting dy by dx is equal to 3x square. But what the slope is representing is a constant, it's a number, right? It is giving you the information about how the value of y is changing with respect to the value of x. So that means here you are getting the value of dy by dx as a 3x square, which is a variable. So when this is a variable, you cannot use this as a slope of your function. Slope for finding the equation of a tangent or normal. So that means it is giving you the hint that dy by dx is not this value. But whenever you are drawing a tangent or a normal at a particular point, you are drawing at this particular point, say some a, and let us say the vertex is some 2, 3, whatever it may be. Okay, so that means you are drawing the tangent at the point 3. That means you have to find the slope of the same line at 2, 3. So if I substitute this dy by dx value at 2, 3, then I will be getting 3 into 2 square, that is 12 is my slope of a tangent. So as I am finding the tangent at this particular point, my equation of tangent will become y minus y1 is equal to m times of x minus x1. So that means y minus 3 is equal to 12 times of x minus 2. On further simplification, you will be getting like this. If I bring all the terms to one side, minus 21 is equal to 0, which is my required equation of a tangent. Now, if I ask you for the same particular question, y is equal to x cube, if I ask you to draw a normal, how you will be finding? Instead of using this m here, I will just substitute minus 1 by m into x minus x1. But still the remaining part of the equation remains same for the simple reason that you are finding a normal also at the same particular point. But why only m is changing here? Because we know that tangent and normal are perpendicular to each other, whose product of slopes is equal to minus 1. When this is m, for tangent if the slope is m, means for the normal the slope should be minus 1 by m. So that means y minus 3 is equal to minus 1 by 12 into x minus 2. If you further simplify this, you will get a required equation of normal. So that means we are using the concept of the derivatives to find the equation of a tangent, but still we are just recollecting the concept of basic equation of a line at a particular point. But here, as you are given with a curve and you are trying to draw a line in such a way that it is intersecting at only one particular point, we are giving or we are restricting the concept with the name as a tangent and normal. If the same thing is with respect to the circle, means then I can say it is a equation of a chord or anything like that, because chord is a word that related to the circle. So the only important thing that you have to notice here is whenever you are finding the equation of a tangent or normal, first important thing, don't substitute the slope value in terms of a variable. Try to substitute it as a constant. You just have to focus on what is the particular point given to you, and accordingly you have to find the slope. Second thing, use the same equation for the equation of tangent and normal, but only change the slope. If it is equation of a tangent, whatever dy by dx you are getting, use the same slope for finding the equation of tangent. If it comes to equation of a normal, instead of dy by dx whatever you got, try to use minus 1 by the slope value. That will give you indication that tangent and normal are perpendicular to each other. Okay. Now let us see some word problems. Some questions based on the concept of tangent and normal. Right. So let us see this question. Let us start with the easy one. See this. Find the slope of tangent y is equal to 3x square minus 6. Who on it at the point on it whose x coordinate is 2? Whose x coordinate is 2? Just understand the question. They are not asking you to find the equation of tangent. They are asking you to find slope of a tangent. So slope of a tangent means what you have to do? You have to just find the differentiation 6x you will be getting. Now see, they mentioned here x coordinate is 2. So that means you have to find the slope of the tangent at x is equal to 2 point. See, as I told you, slope whatever you are going to get should not be a variable, should be a constant. Is equal to 6 into 2, that will gives you 12. So now the question comes here is, for example, if I ask you to find the equation of a tangent. Now the doubt we will get is, they didn't mention point here, they mentioned only the x coordinate. How we will be getting the y coordinate? Simple thing, the x coordinate whatever you had taken here is on the point only, is on the curve only. So when this is the curve representation, if you substitute x with 2 here, you will get the corresponding value of y, that is nothing but 12 minus 6 is 6. So that means x is equal to 2. If I substitute in the equation y is equal to 3x square minus 6, that means 3 into 4 minus 6, 12 minus 6 is equal to 6 you are getting. So that means indirectly they had given you in the question that the point is 2, 6. But here they mentioned only the x coordinate as a 2, because for the simple reason, if you observe this function y is equal to 3x square minus 6, if I find the dy by dx, it is completely restricting in terms of the variable x. For that sake only they mentioned at x is equal to 2. But if I ask you equation of a tangent, you have to get the value of y also. So you will get the y coordinate by substituting x with 2. So y minus y1 is equal to m times of x minus x1 is the required equation of tangent. So y minus 6 is equal to m is 12 into x minus 2. If you further simplify this, you will get equation of a tangent. If the same question I ask you equation of a normal, then it will become minus 1 by 12 of x minus 2. So it is not necessary that everything they will mention in the question. We just have to think logically why they had given only the x coordinate, why they didn't give you y coordinate, how we can find the y coordinate. These type of questions you have to raise for yourself, then you will get answer in the question itself. So this is one basic model that we have. Now let us see another question. Now see this question. Equation of tangent, the equation of tangent at 2, 3 for the curve y square is equal to ax square plus b, y square is equal to ax cube plus b is y is equal to 4x minus 5. Find the values of a and b. Find a and b. See, just try to understand the question. The equation of tangent at the point 2, 3 for the curve is y is equal to 4x minus 5. So that means this is the required equation of tangent. That means according to the question, this is equation of the tangent given to us. Every time for any given question in mathematics, how you have to think is what they had given to us and how we can find it. Please see here, in this question they mentioned that this is the equation of a tangent. So the question should come to your mind is, equation of tangent they had given to us as y is equal to 4x minus 5. But how we actually find the equation of a tangent? This question has to come to your mind. Then when you have a one equation of a tangent and they already mentioned that this is the equation of tangent, which is indicating that both has to be equal. So let us make an attempt to solve this one. For this given curve, if I have to find the equation of a tangent, first thing I have to get slope value. So I will apply differentiation. That means 2y dy by dx is equal to 3ax square plus 0 will come. So that means dy by dx value is equal to 3ax square divided by 2y. Now, as I told you, dy by dx should not be a variable, should be a constant. So you are requested to find the equation of a tangent at the point 2 comma 3. So substitute 2 comma 3 here. So that means 3a into 2 square by 2 into 3. So if you further simplify here, you will be getting slope as a 2a, which is a constant. So now my required equation of tangent will become equation of tangent implies y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. x1 is 2 here. So try to simplify this and then we can get the values of a and b. So y minus 3 is equal to 2ax and then minus 4a. Okay. So bring everything to one side, then you will be getting 2ax minus y minus 4a plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the equation of tangent I am getting. So they had given here y is equal to 4x minus 5. Even if you want, you can convert the same thing in terms of y here. Like I can change this y is equal to 2ax minus 4a and then plus 3. So this is the equation of tangent that we obtained. Now the question comes here is, we are already given with the equation of a tangent. So what I will do, I will try to write the same equation here, 4x and then minus 5. So here x quotient is 2a, here x quotient is 4, indicating that 2a is equal to 4 implies a is equal to 2. This is the value of a. And if you do the further simplification also, still you will get value of a only, right? You won't get the value of b. So there is no point of going for the further calculation. So we found value of a. Next our task is to find the value of b. You just observe in this entire question where you have to substitute a value so that you will get the value of b. It's very clear that this is the required equation because this is the only equation where you are having b. Simple as that. So what has to be this y and x has to be replaced with? Yes, it has to be replaced with 2 comma 3. So 3 square 9 is equal to a is 2, x is 2 cube, x is 2, so it is 2 cube and then plus 8 plus b. So 9 is equal to 16 plus b, so b is equal to minus 7. So this is the required values of a and b. So just observe here what we did. Here this is the important point that you have to remember. Whenever they had mentioned something in the question, the first thing that we have to do is what they had given to us and how we can find it. What is the process for finding the required thing in the given question? Accordingly you have to proceed. I found dy by dx, but dy by dx should not be a variable. That's why I substituted the given point so that I got the slope as a 2a. And then I substituted the equation of tangent because in the question equation of tangent is given. Then I compared, I just got the value of a, but they are asking also to find the value of b. So if I have a subscope of b getting only from this equation, that's why I substituted 2 comma 3 point here, and then I am substituting value of a also as 2, and then I will left out with b is equal to minus 7. So the important takeaway from this question is, any time also please think what they had given to us and how we can obtain the same thing according to the known knowledge for us. This is the important point. After that, it is very simple for you. Just have to follow through the question. That's it. There is no difficulties in that. Right? Now let us see the another question. Find the points on curve 9y square is equal to x cube. Find the points on curve where normal makes equal intercepts. normal makes equal intercepts. Find the points on the curve 9y square is equal to x cube where the normal makes the equal intercepts on the axis. Now see here, they are asking us to find the normal that has to make the equal intercepts. So that means whenever they are talking about the intercepts, my required equation should be in the form of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So they are talking about the normal. So let me take the point as an a comma b. That means I am finding the equation of normal at the point a comma b. Okay. So anyway, to find the equation of tangent or normal, you have to find the dy by dx. So let me apply differentiation. 18y dy by dx is equal to 3x square. I will be getting dy by dx is equal to 3x square by 18y, which is x square by 6y. Again, you can observe here dy by dx value is in terms of variables. So you are you thought of finding the equation of a normal or a tangent at a comma b point. So if I go for that substitution, I will be getting a square by 6b. So this is actually slope of a tangent, but they are asking equation of a normal, for which you need slope of a normal. So therefore slope of normal is equal to minus 6b by a square, because we discussed already tangent and normal are perpendicular to each other, whose product of slopes is equal to minus 1. So that's why minus 6b by a square. Now we have to find the equation of a normal. So let us find equation of normal. Y minus b is equal to minus 6b by a square into x minus a. So try to simplify this. A square y minus a square b is equal to minus 6bx plus 6ab. So if you just simplify this equation further by bringing everything to one side, I will be getting 6bx a square y. I just brought this minus 6bx to the left side. A square y, let it be on the left side only. Minus a square y I am sending to other side. That means 6ab and then plus a square b. So if you just observe the proving part here, required equation is of the form x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. What it means, you just have to, right side you have to get the value as a 1. So right side, if you have to get the value as a 1, means what you have to do, you have to divide it with 6ab plus a square b. So I am going to divide that. 6ab plus a square b, a square y 6ab a square b is equal to 1. But still this is not in the standard form of intercept. You just have to write in the form of x by a plus y by b. That means x coefficient should be 1. So I will bring this to the denominator, 6ab plus a square b by 6b, and then here also y by 6ab plus a square b divided by a square is equal to 1. Now this is the standard form of the intercept. But here if you just observe in the question, they used the word that it is making the equal intercepts. So even in this formula, the denominators a and b represents the intercepts here. So even here these are the intercepts. They said these two are equal, indicating that 6b is equal to 6ab plus a square b divided by a square. So if you cancel out this, you will be getting a square is equal to 6b. That means a is equal to plus or minus root 6b. So the required, if you observe the question, they said find the points on the curve. So that means points, it's a plural word, indicating that you will be getting more than one point. So the first value, the points you had taken as an a comma b implies plus root 6b comma b is the 1 point, and the second is minus root 6b comma b. So these are the required points on the curve where the normal makes the equal intercepts for the given curve 9y square equal to x cube, right? So you just have to follow the question correctly and then accordingly you have to proceed. Okay, hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, try to subscribe to our channel. We will make sure that you will get max in a very easy way. Thank you for watching.